All right, we're ready.
We?
We are ready to
She's
work
the only one ready to work out.
I'm the only one in clothes that I can see. Joe Caravassi of Melt Fitness Studios is here, and this is more energy, less time.
That's right.
And you're showing us workouts we could do, even if we're not at your gym, with our towels on the beach or things like that.
It's perfect. You're traveling this summer, or before you hit the beach, or wherever you are, just grab a towel and take you through a full body workout that's going to tone you up and get some body fat burning.
Like a wet towel, like I get to hit Scott and that kind of thing?
You could do that after.
That's
Since
good
he's
for,
not working out, feel free.
Good for core exercise.
Sure is. But what we're going to do today is go nice and wide grip here. And the first move we're going to do is called a hinge. Now, I want you pressing back, so like pulling back on that towel, arms are straight. And what we're going to do is slide your hips back with a soft knee bend. Just a little bit of bend, look straight down, then push through the floor, drive back up. Right there, keep going. And now this is a great posterior movement. It's not a squat, so not so much knee bend, just a tiny bit of knee bend. Stick the butt back into the hamstrings, nice, and push back. That
What am I doing when I'm doing this?
All right, so you want a soft knee, and then drive the hips back.
Soft knee.
Right there, look down and push forward. Good, so that's an excellent exercise to get your heart rate cranked up, but also to work your posterior, your upper back, and your glutes.
I feel it in my back for sure.
Yeah,
So we'll
you should feel in your low back. All movements come through
my
the hips.
shoulders, like squeezing my shoulders, right?
Perfect, and you just want to make sure at the top of that motion, squeeze the glutes.
Okay.
All right.
Then that'll make them squeezable.
Absolutely, and it will help your hamstrings too. Oh, we ain't done yet.
Can I borrow
We're not done
Can I
yet.
borrow your towel?
Nah, not if you're gonna hit her. Not if
No, I'll do
You can do the
next
next exercise?
Yeah, I'll do
That
it.
boy, grab it. All right. So you're gonna go overhead, arms up to a Y. Somehow I don't believe him.
I'm gonna
All
do
right,
it.
and we're gonna open the feet a little wider and shoulder width apart. Keep those arms pulled back, and you're gonna squat as low as you can.
Oh, I
so
hate
drive the hips back. I don't know how those pants are gonna work, but we're gonna try. If you rip them, oh, that's perfect. Drive back up.
All right.
Nice job. So your goal there is get as low as you can. That's working your entire
Let's have a
core,
little friendly competition.
shoulders, as well as your glutes and your legs. There we go. Tuck the chin. He's getting lower though, and he's in jeans. Get that booty down, Kara. Low, low,
Yeah,
low.
Kara.
Good, good.
Get your booty down.
The next one we're going to show you is great for the biceps, and this is something you can do in front of the TV and still get an awesome burn. It doesn't look like much, but trust me. Basically, you're going to stand on a towel, and you're going to pull up as hard as you can, keeping your shoulders back, your core nice and parallel. So this is actually working your obliques as well,
Like
as
this?
and your biceps.
Keep it like this.
So you want your thumbs up position. Other way. So right,
Oh,
there you
sorry.
go. Pull up just like a curl, shoulders back, drop the shoulder a little bit, activate that core. Give it a shot. So you hold that for 60 seconds.
Do it, do it.
You hold that for 60 seconds, you're gonna get a nice bicep burn. Curl up, don't lean back. So that's where the core comes in. You're balancing and not flexing on that side.
I feel like a Banana Republic mannequin.
I do feel it burning.
Keep the posture, but as hard as you can pull up. And again, it doesn't look like much, but you try this on your own and you'll be amazed. And the last thing we're gonna show you today is a row
That is
movement.
tough.
So we're gonna straighten the
You do this while
towel
you're
up.
folding your towels
Exactly.
in laundry. No breaks.
All right, you're gonna pull up as hard as you can. The thing here is constant tension. So pull up, and as you're keeping it pulled up, row into your belly button, squeeze, 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 and extend back out. So you're keeping that tension as you're pulling up, row in, and then back out. So make sure you're pulling up to the sky as you're rowing in. The more tension, the more strength. Awesome.
I'm exhausted.
Now what you want to do at home, 45 seconds each
Yeah.
movement for 5 total sets.
You've got a 14-day drop 5-pound challenge. Starts this Thursday.
This Thursday. So we're going to challenge you to drop 5 pounds in 14 days with the Melt workout.
All right, we're
Okay,
gonna put
I
the
want
link
to
on
do
our
that.
website.
We'll have the link on our website. I want to do that.
You
That'd be
should.
great. Yeah.
You get
all
a
right.
challenge kit, meal plan, things you can do at home, whole 9.
Dr. Oz is